In fact, my colleague Brian is with us on the broadcast. He's live from Maharani Bagh. Brian, what's the situation in Maharani Bagh? My gut tells me it's not better than the whole of the national capital.
Well, Asavri, talking about Maharani Bagh, you see the visuals, you see how alarming it gets, you see the chaos that is prevailing here. It was 2 hours of rain and now you see the entire national capital is underwater. It's a waterlogged situation. Waters are till, it's still waste. You can see people are struggling. Commuters are facing major problem to travel one place to another. You see the traffic, in these dire situations, you see two-wheelers, you see four-wheelers, they are in major troubles. Your car break down, your bikes, your scooters break down because of the waterlogging situation. The waters are very, it's just engulfing the national capital. You see, like, since it's a slopey road, you can actually see that the water is going downstream to this very road, and as a result of that, Asavri, you can see the waterlogging situation is intensifying, and also as a result of that also there's a wavy-like situation also that is also increasing the current of the water. You actually see, cars are stuck here. If you show you the visuals behind also, Asavri, you can actually see the chaos that is there. It's forming long queues because, if you go to the other side, you see the depth of the water increases because, like here also, when we were talking earlier also with people, they were saying that the drainage is definitely an issue. People are literally struggling to, go from one place to another. Commuters are facing major, problems. The cars, it's long queues. People are facing. You see the visuals here. You can actually see the situation here of people. क्या दिक्कत हो रहा है सर?
बहुत दिक्कतें हो रही है सर. देख रहे हैं आप कितने रोड जाम हो रखा. हम 1 घंटे लेट है अभी ड्यूटी के लिए. एकदम कपड़े बैग में ले रखे हैं हम. जब से वहाँ से हमारे घर से ही ऐसा हाल हो रखा है.
So yes, these are the people we are talking to also. You see how alarming this entire situation gets, and even if we show you this, this is gate number 3 to the colony. The colony is, is halfway, more than halfway under water. Is still waste, and you see, there is no guard, there is no authority to, to take any action as such. And it's just, you see the people struggling to, make the ends meet, to travel from one place to another. Like we spoke to one person also, he said that it's taking 1 hour, it's taking 1 hour for people to reach from one place to another. And definitely it also delays a lot of time also. Like you see the chaos pulping here at this very location.
For more such videos, subscribe to the NewsX YouTube channel, hit the bell icon.